Hi everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I sent you before a link of a YouTube video. Please watch that YouTube video before you go to this note because he explained concept very well in that video so you can understand very easily. I am also going to just explain little bit theory or actually it's better to say refresh your memory and remind you what we did before and how to explain some examples. Alright, I hope you can remember what we did at the beginning of this semester. So you can remember this one. We did hypothesis testing. What is meaning of this? H naught versus HA. We have three options but I write down this one only. So here what we did, here we compare two mean of the populations, right? Two different populations. But now we are going to do the same thing actually, but extension of this. Let me explain using an example. I am teaching 4 classes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I gave all tests for each classes and I want to check the mean, mu1, mean of the test grade. So I use mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 for the population average of the 4 classes. So how do we use hypothesis testing for this experiment? So I need to check all 4 class average of the average of the test score are the same of the all classes. In mean, mu1 equal, mu2 equal, mu3 equal, mu4. So that is the null hypothesis now. And HA at least one mean is different. One means is different. So that is the alternative hypothesis. So can we check this one using our previous methods? No, because here more than 2 means. Therefore, we are going to discuss how to check this type of hypothesis. So that is the main concept of this chapter. Now let me explain these notations. So here treatment mean groups actually. It mean we have 1 to 6 group. In my example we had 4 group, right? Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Therefore our A equal 4. So those are the 1 to A. Here we have A groups. So these are the observations. So first row y11, y12 up to y1n. Those are the observations of the first group or first sample. These are the second row is the observations of the second population or second group, and similarly A groups. And y1 dot, what is the y1 dot? You know yij, those are the observations. So y1 dot, I say yi dot, general case, yi dot, you see that I is here, j is missing. Therefore, in this side should be j goes to 1 to n, because j goes to 1 to n, j goes this way, right? Then yij. So that is the what that is the observation of the sample, summation of the observation of the sample, right? You see that y1 dot equal y11 plus y12 plus up to y1n. Those are the observation of the first sample. So summation is the y1 dot. Similarly, y2 dot is the summation of these numbers and ya dot, so this one. So y double dot is what? That is the summation of this column, right? That means, in other words, summation of each observation. Summation of each observation. So that is the y double dot. So you can write down y double dot equal I and j yij. Or you can write down, right? Or you can write down y1 this way. This equal summation I goes to 1 to a y I dot. It means this column. Or you can write down this way, right? So both are the same. So this one is the what we call mean average of the first sample, average of the second sample, average of the eighth sample. So let me apply this notation to this example. In this example, you see there are 4 groups, 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. So these are the observation of the 5%. 7, 8, 15, 11, 9, 10. So let me explain this way. Y23. What is the Y23? Y23. Y23 means third observation of the second group. This is the second group. You know that. So third observation is, this is one, second one, third one. So this is the third observation of second group, which is 30. Similarly, you can find any value, yij value in this from these numbers. So next one, I want to explain what is the y3 dot. Y3 dot is the summation of observation of the group 14, 18, 19, 17, 16, 18. So once you add this, 1 or 2. Similarly, you see there, so this is the y3 dot, y1 dot, so on. And y double dot. Y double dot, you can write 60 plus 94 plus 102 plus 127. Or you can write down 7 plus 8 plus 15 plus up to all the numbers until we get the 20. So that is the y double dot. This equal 383. Then how do we get y1 dot bar? Y1 dot bar may equal summation y1j divided by 6, right? So summation of this is j. So therefore this should be summation of y1j equal y1 dot, right? Divided by 6. y1 dot equals 60 divided by 6 equal 10. So similarly, you can find the rest of the